Welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're gonna actually set some configurations for Heroku, and we're gonna do something called build packs, all right? We're gonna let the Heroku know that we wanna use a PHP build pack, all right? So let's open our terminal here real quick, and let's set it. So every command that we have in the Heroku CLI, in the command line interface, we need to start it with Heroku, right? And this is very common in most programs when you're doing it in the terminal, right? Or your Git or your shell. You need to start it with the name of the program. So Heroku build packs. Okay, hopefully I'm spelling it correctly, and we'll get a successful message or not. And then we got to tell it which build pack we want, and we want the PHP. So let's do it, and it looks like it's doing something. And as you can see, it did something, and it's telling me what command I should be running after this to create a new release using build pack. Okay, I'm gonna copy this with my keyboard, and now the next step for us to do is to set a key for our Laravel installation. Now I'm gonna open up my editor here real quick, and I have my Laravel installation in a different folder, something called code, in my desktop. I'm just gonna check it out right here. I'm gonna look at my environment, and this is my key already. It was created automatically when I created my Laravel installation. So I'm gonna copy it, all right? And we're gonna set the key in the terminal here with Heroku, all right? It's pretty simple to do. And we are actually setting some configurations that are gonna be available in the admin area of Heroku. Now, this is how we're gonna be setting all our keys. Now, you can do this in the admin, and I'm gonna show you. When I say keys, I mean this. This is where we're gonna be setting all our environment variables in here. But I'm also going to show you how to do it in the admin area of Heroku. So we're gonna be setting up this key here, because this is how we're gonna make Laravel work. Now later on, we're gonna set this one here to maybe if you have something in production, you can do it in production. We can do it in local, whatever. The same things that we have here, we can have in Heroku. Even the database, if you have a database that you're using, all right? So we gotta set those keys there. So how we set those keys is super simple. Let's do Heroku, and then we just do config, and then set. You see that colon? And we have the colon here, all right? So it's following the same pattern, all right? Now we give it the configuration variable that we want, and it's called app key. And if we go back here, it's the same as this. So we can just copy this whole thing right here. Come back here and just delete this and paste it in here. There we go. Enter. And it's setting it, it's restarting it. We are good. We are ready to go. All right. So in the next lecture, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be actually pushing this to Heroku and trying to see if it works. All right. So I'm pretty excited to show you this, guys. I hope you're really excited too, because we're going to have a Laravel installation on the cloud free of charge that we can play around with, right? Pretty cool stuff. Hopefully they don't change this in the future. Oh my God, I just changed it. See you in the next lecture, guys. Take care.